Hey, my YouTube fam, friends, my diadems, and my jewels. Y'all, I ain't even wait until Saturday morning to holler at you. I'm gonna holler at you right now. I got my other buddy with me. He over there. My phone is like, wait. See? There he is. He over there. This is my jewels. See my jewels. My blue jewels. Oh, so he tripping. Ain't nobody got time. Ain't nobody got time for all that. We up here with the geese. What's up, y'all? It is Friday night. And we about to go get us some wings.
Some wing dang dang.
Some wings. Yeah. I've been having a taste for some wings. I want to go to Wingstop. Wingstop? That's what it's called? Is that y'all got a Wingstop over there by y'all, don't y'all?
I don't know. I never been.
Yeah, Ned told me y'all did. I should have had her get the chicken for me over there, but I think the one over here by me is too far. I don't want to go that far out. It's already late, but I should, because their wings are supposed to be better and they are supposed to be cheaper than where I'm about to go. But I just got taste for some wings. I do. I hope they're good. I want some crispy chicken. You know what I'm saying? I know I don't need all that grease, but I got chicken fever right now, and I'm gonna handle my chicken fever. I'm gonna handle it. I'm gonna deal with it and let it pass, and then I'll be all right. Cause I ain't had no fried chicken in a long time. Hey y'all, we at wings. We ain't no Wingstop. We at Buffalo Wild Wings. And y'all know what? I look just like my mama with this hat on. Woo wee! I look like Ethel Rose. I'm going tomorrow to handle this business. Yes. I'm going to handle these eyebrows tomorrow. And handle this lip. Get my shave on. Get my shave on. I'm here with my grandson. What you order? What you order? What you order?
I ordered some boneless honey barbecue wings.
Some fries.
And some
chocolate cake.
Chocolate fudge.
I think we might be splitting that chocolate cake. You know what I'm saying?
No.
I know he just playing. Shoot. My money paying for that cake, I might be, I'm taste a little bit. Oh, Boston playing tonight. Oh, Boston playing, and it's a baseball game going on. I just got me some chicken wings. I told you I wanted my wings. I got them. I ain't got them yet, but they coming. I'll let y'all see them when I get them. Hey y'all. We got our food. There's something noisy in here. You really can't hear it. Let me show y'all what I got. Wedges. And what kind of sauce did I get? Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you. What kind of sauce did I get? I guess he ain't answering me. I should have got his. We got French fries. Man, it look hot, but it's really not hot. We'll see. I'm cold. Barbecue sauce. I don't like coming out to eat with little Larry. He don't talk to you. What you watching? See? You got headphones on. You don't hear nothing. So, you just come up here to eat with me. Again, you're not talking to me. You played your game. Now you're watching the movie. I'm feeling a little neglected.
This guy's freaking hilarious.
Okay, well, dang, can we talk?
I got you. What do I talk about?
I don't know. Did you ever find any words that young people be saying? See? Still didn't find them. What's up? What you want to talk about? See, he don't want to talk. These young people ain't got no social skills. What's the weather like out there?
Cold.
Oh. This stuff hot. Oh. What is this? What you laughing at? Wait a minute. I think I got the wrong sauce. A little celery. That looks like a dude. I gotta get myself together. That must be real funny. He's cracking up. In this movie that he's watching on his phone. And I can't get no conversation. I'm cold. They got some serious air on in this joint. It's going on my head. Oh, look. I feel like they turned it off.
Huh?
She didn't ask me if I wanted no more food.
Well, you're still like halfway.
She could have topped me off. Well, I see the way she's talking to them other boys over there. No. I think it's just a boys thing. So when we came, she was chopping it up with them other boy customers. taking care of them mighty good. So y'all, it's gonna hurt us, y'all. So I was gonna do that challenge. That challenge that order what the person in front of you ordered. I was supposed to do it last Saturday, but I didn't.
Ready for your cake?
Larry. Hey, talking to you.
Sorry.
You ready for your cake?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So,
It be all over
and I was
me.
thinking, no, she just she's doing her job. But anyway, so I was thinking about doing it tomorrow, but I think what I'm gonna do tomorrow is, you gonna do it with me? Hey, take off your headphones. We're gonna do this challenge tomorrow. It's everything we eat tomorrow has to be pink.
Has to be what?
It has to be pink. All our food. For 24 hours, all day tomorrow, all our food has to be pink.
I'm good.
No, you don't want to do a challenge with me?
Miss me with that.
Do you know what kind of stuff
I
it
need
is?
all of my colors. I need green, blue, purple, white, yellow, red, all of them.
The salmon is pink. You eat salmon, fish?
Yeah, I eat fish. I need my vegetables.
They got
too.
pink cereal.
Cereal.
Yeah, they got Lucky Charms that's pink. There ain't no pink veggies. Grapefruit is pink.
You know I don't mess with grapefruit.
I ain't know you don't like grapefruit.
I don't mess with grapefruit. It's my sworn enemy.
Got pink candy. You can't have no candy.
Good with the candy.
You know. Ain't no nutritional value in candy.
I don't know.
Sounds like his mama. Watermelon is dark pink.
It's red.
I know. Shrimp is pink after you cook it. It do turn pink. Ice cream is pink. Oh my god.
Wow.
Let me see. Let me see. Look, wait, let me. I want to put it on here. Let me see it. Come on. Get that chocolate cake, y'all.
It's all
That's why you
mine.
think he ain't gonna let me have none of that chocolate cake. Look at that boy.
Come on, Cleveland.
Oh, this cake is cold. I mean, a little piece.
Still tastes good though.
Got like chocolate chips on the back of it.
See? Strike one.
And that part of the cake.